Hello everyone and welcome to today's Grammar Capsule, part of our program at Customer Service College. In today's session we will go over 3 important adverbs of time commonly used with the present perfect structure, already, still, and yet. My name is Fabian, and I will be your virtual tutor for today. Let the learning begin. Before we begin, let's refresh our memory of how to use the present perfect in English. Listen to Amy's review explanation.
Let's begin by going over the definition of this structure. We use the present perfect to talk about past achievements and experiences. To better understand it, let's compare it to a very common structure, the simple past. We use the simple past to mention an activity you did in the past. For example, if we are talking about trips, I would say I went to Disneyland last year. In this example, I use the simple past since I'm talking about an activity that happened just one time. The present perfect structure, on the other hand, is used to talk about past experiences that were constant, such as a routine, or when you want to link the past to the present. An example of this is an event that you did and will probably continue doing. If you notice in the above example, I am saying that I have gone to Disneyland 3 times. Here I use the present perfect since I have had constant trips to Disneyland that I will probably continue having. Let's review the present perfect structure. The structure is as follows. First your subject, then the auxiliary have in affirmative or negative, then your verb in simple form. Remember that in third person, the auxiliary is has. Listen to the following examples.
I have worked in 3 different companies. He has traveled to Europe 3 times so far. We haven't gone to France.
Let's now analyze the first adverb of time, already. We use already with the present perfect to express that we completed the activity recently, making the idea a past idea. If, for example, I say that I have already finished my activities, I am expressing that I finished them not so long ago. If I say that I have already sent the document, I am expressing that it was sent recently. If you ask me if I have eaten and I answer with already, then I am expressing that yes, I ate recently. What other examples can you think of with already? What have you done recently?
Notice the structure of already using the present perfect. You place this adverb between the auxiliary have and the verb in participle. I've already done the activity. And we use the adverb of time, yet, with the present perfect to express that you plan to do an activity in the near future. Take a look at the following examples. I haven't finished yet. In this example, I am expressing that I'm probably about to finish soon. I haven't eaten yet. In this example, I am expressing that I plan to eat soon. Notice how the use of yet is in negative ideas, with the placement at the end of your sentence. How about you? What haven't you done yet? And remember that yet is commonly used in questions to ask if a person has completed the activity. Listen to the following examples, and again, notice how the adverb goes at the end of your question. Have you finished yet? Have you eaten yet? Think of more questions you can ask someone using yet. And the adverb of time, still, expresses that you have wanted to do the activity, but for some reason, haven't been able to complete it. This adverb is also used in negative structures, but if you notice, it goes before the negative auxiliary haven't. Look at these examples. She still hasn't finished her activities. I still haven't taken a shower. How about you? Are there any activities you still haven't done today?
And to finish this presentation, let's listen to a conversation between 2 coworkers. Notice how they use these adverbs of time in their conversations.
John, have you finished the report yet?
Yes,
I've already finished it, but still haven't sent it to corporate.
We hope you enjoyed today's session. Next time you have the opportunity, practice what we saw today.
On behalf of our team at Customer Service College, we would like to thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow us on our social media pages.